Hey, I'm Nathan. I'll cut right to the chase. I'll be going over length scale preparation. Basically, how to tape up a meter stick and properly set it up for video analysis. But hold your horses, we need a few things before we get started. Namely, 2 meter sticks, some colored tape, double-sided tape or command strips, the measure app on your phone or a physical leveling tool, and of course a phone. If you don't know how to find the measure app, I'll explain how a little later. Firstly, let's prepare the meter stick. So Austin here is taping at 10 centimeters, and he's going to tape it all the way back to 0. And this is so that the camera can more easily identify the area, and we can use that for our measurements. There you go, a little look at Austin's sick shirt there. So yeah, we're going to keep this pattern going where every 10 centimeters we're going to have it alternating between taped and untaped, and I'll show you what it looks like right now. Now when you're done wrapping it, it should look a little something like this, where each exposed part, as seen here, is about 10 centimeters, and the unexposed part is also 10 centimeters. For the Measure app, it should already be on your phone by default. On Apple phones, the Measure app looks like this. And if you can't find it, you could always search up the app. And if you deleted it, I'm sure you can get it back through the App Store. Once you open the app, it should look something like this. We want to instead check out the leveling tool built into the app. For me, it's at the bottom right of the screen. Now for Android phones, we'll want to find the leveling tool on the Galaxy Store and download it as seen here. Then, once you get it downloaded, you'll be able to use it to make sure the meter stick isn't slanted. And we should be ready to mount the ruler. So here I'm going to set up the ruler to try to get as little experimental error as I can get. I have a command strip that'll stick the ruler to the side of the table, but again, any sort of double-sided tape situation should work just fine. I'm getting out my Measure app, and I want to make sure the ruler is straight vertically as I can get it. If it leans, then that could introduce error. We're also going to make sure the ruler isn't slanted. It's good to eyeball it first, and then adjust. Now we have a vertical meter stick prepared, the harder one. The second is a horizontal meter stick. It's much easier. Make sure it's taped like the first one, then make sure it isn't askew when you place it on the wall. Check with the Measure app that it's straight. And that's about it.